Hey guys, it's your girl Shalisi coming at you with the super cute and fun like neon orange, patio season ready, quarantine styled makeup look. I decided I want to play in some color and I'm not sure how I feel about the lip. I did do a nude, but it was a little too pinky brown nude, but you'll see that at the end of the clip as well as when I transitioned into this lip. For this eye look though, I used the Ace Beaute Scarlet Dusk palette. I got this in a Boxy Charm box months ago, and I decided to pull it out today because, you know, why not? It's springtime, it's quarantine life, and you know what? It's time to play around in some makeup, do looks that I typically wouldn't do. I really liked how it turned out on the eyes. Super fun, super easy. Honestly, you know how a girl is. 3 shadows, maybe 4 at the max, but I think this was 3 shadows. Yeah, 3 shadows for this look. Threw on some lashes, funked it up. Match it look with a apricot lip. I don't know how I feel about it. It's the new L'Oreal Paris matte lip crayon in the color Hot Apricot. It's just really drying. But then again, it could be because I had switched from one lip to the other and I didn't put any lip balm in between. So I don't know. But if you like how this look turned out, definitely stay tuned to the rest of the video. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Welcome. I've been trying to pay more attention to my algorithm. And I find that like 80% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. If you are part of that 80%, but you always come back to watch, just subscribe. Make your girl happy. During quarantine, I've actually like bumped over 500, which is a miracle. So I'm gonna keep posting out videos. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see next, and it will come up in rotation because I have a lot more free time on my hand. Follow me on all my social media. It'll be all listed down below, and I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.